feels weird not riding in Sturgis.
Yeah, it does. I thought the same thing when Keith and I took off for Doghouse. Oh man, what a different feeling this is.
Ten times hotter and 10 times uglier.
Got wet grass all over the bottoms of my feet. My shoes are sliding around on my thrashing floorboards.
And I do the dumb thing and wear leather-soled cowboy boots. My feet slide around all the time regardless. Have you looked? Is that UFC fight tonight? Is it on? Oh, damn, grass. Is it on Paramount yet or ESPN?
I have not looked. I'm assuming ESPN, but
I would assume this would be the last one on ESPN. But tonight's also the Richmond NASCAR race, so it'd be nice if we could try to flip between both. The prelims for UFC, it doesn't look like there's going to be any fighters that either one of us know. So we could probably skip the prelims, watch NASCAR, and then just flip over to the main card for UFC.
Yeah. I mean, tonight's the Kamzat fight, right? Oh, God.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's the main event. So that's not till 10, well, main card's at 10 o'clock.
Yeah. I'm going to have to get a cardo for your mother for Christmas.
Yeah.
Need to find another one of the packs or whatever it was that we bought.
The 2-pack?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got that other open face helmet. It'd be nice to be able to have a cardo on this one and that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, on around. Good. I think the rodeo at that fucking K Arena is next weekend.
Again?
I think there's a rodeo next weekend at that fucking K Arena out in Maker Grove.
Oh, yeah.
They do a pretty good job out there.
Yeah, that's usually a good one.
Yeah.
I ended up being better than Prescott.
Yeah, I still can't get over how disappointed I was with the Prescott rodeo.
Oh, that was bad.
Being our nation's oldest rodeo, man, I've looked forward to seeing that my whole life, and I go there. They had 2 bareback riders, 3 saddle bronc riders, and was it 3 bull riders, I think?
Yeah, it was basically 3-3-3-3.
It was terrible.
And nobody would sit down long enough to watch anybody.
Yeah.
Sarah took a video of every ride, and every single ride, there's at least 3 people that walk in front of her.
Yeah, it's crazy. You said you're good on gas, right?
Yeah, I got a full tank.
Okay. I got a little more than a half.
Damn, I should have hit up Paul from Buckrack Cycles to see if he wanted to ride with us.
Yeah.
I didn't even think about it.
Yeah, I was a little bit shocked when Todd rode my bike back to CNC Thunder to get that O2 sensor looked at.
Yeah.
He said my transmission shifts a whole lot smoother than what his does. And that kind of surprised me because they're both 23 2023 114 6-speeds. So I've run shockproof oil in it for ever since I had the bike, and then I've recently changed over to Amsoil.
I just don't believe that there's a smooth shifting Harley transmission. Anyone I've rode, they all clunk.
Yeah. Stop sign, we're taking a right.
All right.
Hang on.
Sure, I'd jump that.
Yeah, it was a little rougher than I was expecting. I was surprised. I thought traffic was a whole lot better in Sturgis this year than what I remember last time we were there.
The last time we were there, it was during Bike Week. Like, as people were coming in at the start of the rally.
Yeah. Well, we were there
was
for the first.
I saw the numbers. I saw the numbers from the rally this year, and it looked like there was 200,000 more bikes this year than there was previous years.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
I would have guessed attendance was down.
And the 85th, you know, every year ends with a 0 or a 5 is going to be big.
Yeah. They say next year is supposed to be an America theme.
Next year is supposed to be an American theme?
Yeah.
It's Sturgis. Is it not American themed as it is?
I think they're doing like a
Fantasy Fest thing?
No, like a, I don't know, not a centennial. I forgot what the term was, but basically a play off the 1776 thing. So
yeah. Too bad we can't go next year.
Yeah, I keep thinking about it, trying to figure out how to work, but
I think the only way you'd make that work is if we ship the bikes up there, ride for 2 days, and ship back and fly.
Yeah.
But that's not worth the money it costs to do all that.
Yeah, probably cheaper to figure out how to rent something.
And I saw a lot of people complaining about the prices of bikes to rent up there this year.
That's why we didn't do it in Arizona. And it wasn't the rental fees were expensive, but it was the doggone insurance stuff that. I don't know if you watch that biker guru that Todd follows him a good bit. He got that bandana from him down there.
I've never heard of him.
Pretty cool. I like a lot of his stuff, but somebody apparently that he grew up with posted on his page that God's people don't go to Sturgis. You know, you need to like reevaluate your life. And he's like, you know, sweetheart, you got some internal things to work on if that's what you're thinking.
Yeah. There's a whole lot more to Sturgis than what people think there is.
Yeah. I sent a response on it saying, you know, one of my closest friends rode up there with me. He's a pastor of a church and rode down from Delaware to throw in with us and went out there. And then the CMA group are the ones who provide all the benches when you go up and down Main Street. And Todd couldn't walk anywhere without shaking hands with people. So
we went, somebody was hollering at him.
Growing there, it's not cotton, is it?
Yeah, probably.
It is.
Oh, do you see Thrashing's making a Dyna brake lever now?
Yeah, you sent that to me.
They're like 3 parts away from just being able to sell a whole set of mid-control, which would have made life so much easier when we bought this bike.
This stop sign, you're kind of going left. It looks to me like it almost merges onto 909 here. So we'll have to... Have you seen how much it is?
I don't really plan on buying it. I mean, I don't need it. I could probably put one of their foot pegs on it, get a little bit more grip on my brake pedal, but it's not a necessity. I'm just saying something like that would have been really nice for when we were trying to find all the mid-control parts. To put the mids on the same boards, but because that was a nightmare trying to find mid-controls for sale for this thing that weren't, $500.
Right. Well, I can say these are roads I've never been down before out this way.
It's been a long time. Oh! Okay, I'm getting over it. Fuck that. That hurt. After letting down and trying to put mids on this bike, if I'm buying a bike that doesn't have mids already on it, I'm not even going to look at it.
Yeah. You got lucky, though, finding them the way you did.
Yeah, $75 out in Lancaster.
I drove down in the middle of nowhere, going down this little one-lane dirt path of a road, and I thought, yep, if I was ever going to get robbed, this would be the one.
Yeah. But yeah, TT Pros, they make those mid-controls, but even still, those were expensive as shit.
Yeah.
They wanted the same price for those as people are selling the Harley ones on Marketplace for. Theirs looked a whole lot better, but I wasn't trying to spend, $380 for a brake line and a piece of metal brake lever.
Yeah.
Because that's the only things I needed. I didn't need everything else.
I saw the T-bar setup that TC Bros is offering now. Man, I like the looks of their risers. They've done a really nice job with that design.
I haven't seen it.
Oh, did you see Pro Monkey's Grey Ghost?
Yeah, I think sweet.
Man, I can't believe what a difference putting those ape hangers made on that bike.
Yeah.
Got rid of those little low handlebars, and he goes a little too high for my taste, but still, it made that bike look tremendously better.
Yeah. That Saddleman seat he put on it looked good too. The solo seat.
Yeah, I like bikes with a solo seat. Obviously,
I do too,
like other
in some cases,
with me,
but
so. And that swing arm bag, that fit really nicely. All that chrome and then a black bag hanging off the back, that was sharp.
Somewhere somebody is complaining about him doing all that to that bike too.
Oh, I'm sure, but I thought he did a really good job with it.
Like thrashing with their CVO, already tearing up the exhaust pipe doing the wheelie. Which way, left or right?
Left, sorry. Go across and go left. Yeah. But
I prefer.
I give mad respect to that, because that's they bought that bike to ride, and
my God, they're gonna ride it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Luke said it was about 20 minutes for him, so he should be there before us.
Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up when we get there, and then let's punch in, figure out where the rest are.
I'm still between 3/4 and full heat gas.
Yeah, I'm down to a half now.
Makes sense to me.
A good bit of gas mileage with that cam install.
Yeah, I noticed. I went through about a quarter tank just to get your bike from CNC back to the house.
Yeah. Well, it looks like we quit.
Yeah, no bueno. Luckily, I've got my rain jacket in my bag, not my pants, just the jacket.
Yeah. I've got one. I'll give it to your mother. They're right here.
Yep.
Find me an empty pump somewhere.
Here's empty.
Yeah.
I don't think that one works. Got tape over the carburetors.
I'm gonna go up front here.
Oh, here's one. Well, never mind.
I'm already up here. You seen Luke?
Nah. He said the handlebars are comfortable after he sat on mine and said they weren't comfortable. It's the same setup.
No, I'm talking about the height.
It's the same setup. Yeah. Only difference is Dad's got the pullback. Mine aren't pullbacks. Mine are the whole shot. But Dad doesn't like pullback, so he rotated them up way far. Because Dad's where his are is where mine are with the whole shot.
If you want to go down to the beaver den, I don't.
Yeah, we can wrap it.
Yep. Let's say the pulley is broken. Never in my life seen that happen. But we ain't too far from the house. We're gonna ride her home. I still can't believe. I mean, what are the odds?
Yeah, I've never seen anything do that. Look at that one. I can't believe that that's pressed on.
I'm just glad that my belt stayed on. Which luckily we do still have the old wheel, so.
And that is black.
Yeah, but I meant like that. This one is all black, whereas that one's got the silver, like the polished aluminum. I'd rather keep it all black because I want to black out the whole bike.